door was an open door. So, yeah. To be continued yung last episode because this is the phase 2 of the success. An open door. Yeah, yes. I lost. Okay? But behind those losses, sabi nga nila, pag may nagsarang pinto, may magbubukas na pinto ulit para sa'yo. Before the student council election voting started, screening pa ng student council candidates kung saan kina-qualify pa nila kung are you qualified to be a student council officer? Ganon. Marami silang ina-ask the questions whatsoever na sasagutin mo to see if you're qualified enough or responsible enough to take that specific position that you're fighting for. You got it? Because I got it. And yun. After nung screening namin, Ma'am Laika approaches me. Then, she said, do you want to join the photojournalism? Like, sabi ko, yes ma'am, sure. Even though I have no really idea kung anong ginagawa ng photojournal. Ang alam ko, picture, gawa ng article. Yun lang. Pero hindi ako maalam sumulat. Pero maalam ako mag-picture, mag-videography, editing, graphic design, whatsoever. Yun yung alam ko. So that's why sabi ko, yes ma'am. Sali ako. I have no hesitation na magsabi ng, yes ma'am, I'm willing to join. Bakit? Kasi even though I really don't know kung ano yung responsibility ng isang photojournalism person or journalism, hindi ko man alam yung ginagawa nila, I'll take the risk. Bakit? Kasi I know that parang may matututunan ako dun na bago. Or may matututunan akong skill na wala pa ako. Like, alam niyo yun? Parang sabi ko kasi, I'm gonna explore myself more. Kumbaga yung mga bagay na hindi ko kaya, sige, gagawin ko para pag nagawa ko, papaisip na lang, kaya ko pala yun. Like, you got it, kasi I got it. Ganun, parang, okay ma'am, then yun. Nabuo na yung LILA, which is yung Liberty Through Language, yung Clown Community College Official Publication Team, which is yung LILA nga. Yung first na position ko dun is, layout artist lang talaga ako nung umpisa. Then, I'll became the secretary. Then now, I am the assistant leader. And I am one of the official photographer ng school publication. Yes, photographer. Ito na yung sinasabi kong, ito yung pinapangarap ko before na balang araw, hahawak din ako ng camera, pipitik-pitik din ako. Ayun na. One of the official photographer ng school publication team namin. And assistant leader pa. What else can we expect, di ba? Then, yun. Dako ulit tayo dun sa pagkatalo ko sa student council before. So, a month later, malapit na mag-acquaintance, I think, nun. Or, before acquaintance yun. Hindi ko lang sure So, I attended the meeting about the acquaintance party. And, inassign nila ako sa pagla-layout ng certificate. And also, I helped Sir George na mag-ayos and mag-designs dun sa place kung saan gaganapin yung acquaintance party namin. And to be honest, Sir George said, sobrang active nitong batang to. Siguro dahil doon nakita nila ako ng potential na I'm gonna be a great leader. So, a month later, pass by, alam niyo yun, ganto, ganan. Lumipas yung buwan, linggo, araw, nag-meeting ulit. Yung meeting nila is about sa committees. Kumbaga parang student council officer din, pero committees. Kumbaga, mga head ng specific organization, ganto, ganan, yung pinakamataas. Which is, from assistant leader to being the head of the publication team. Head committee ng publication team. Diba? Mas mataas pa ako din sa team leader namin. And I really don't expect that to happen. Kasi, hindi ko naman ina-expect na yung president ng student council namin, which is si Kuya Alvin, na even though nakalaban ko siya before sa student council, is hindi ko in-expect na hindi niya ako papabayaan. Like, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng position na head of the campus publication team. Siya yung nagbigay na sa akin ng position na yun. And also, hindi ko din pwedeng kalimutan si Ma'am Laika kasi siya talaga yung dahilan kung bakit ako napapasok doon sa publication. At siya yung punot dulo si Ma'am Laika. Siya yung dahilan kung bakit ako napapasok sa publication. Siya din yung dahilan kung bakit bigla ako napunta sa pagiging head ng committee ng publication team. Kasi kung hindi niya ako inalok, hindi ako papasok sa publication. So kung hindi ako makapasok sa publication, hindi ako magiging committee, di ba? Like, man. And before that, balik ulit tayo sa acquaintance party. Before mag-acquaintance, na-elect ako as an officer sa dance club. So, counselor parang a normal officer lang, ganito ganun. So, yun. Na-elect ako as an officer dun sa dance club. And I became one of the official dancer ng school namin. And sumayaw kami nun sa acquaintance. Talagang sobrang daming nagbukas na pinto para sa akin nung time na natalo ako sa student council. Like, sobrang dami. And to be honest, right now, may nagbukas ulit na pinto sa akin, hindi ko parang tinatanggap. Ano yun? Inalok ako nung isa sa officers sa ROTC na mag-officer. And hindi ko pa tinatanggap kasi hindi pa buo yung loob ko, hindi pa handa. Pero, behind all of those sudden loss and behind those opening doors, syempre, hindi mawawala yung unexpected.